Hello guys, good morning. So welcome to Coffee Cozy Up. So today I am going to get my glasses taken care of. So once a year I get new glasses. So now I'll go get my eye exam and picked out something new. I love these frames, but it's been a year. Want to switch it up a little bit. So I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna head over to a couple of spots. So just taking you along with me today. Look at this color glasses, guys. It's blue. Maybe. But then I like it in the green as well. Let's try the green. So I've never had a green. So I'm looking at green as well. So no. It's a possibility.
Three of the.
There's one of Susan's things that is on a back order, and I don't know if I got it.
I like this blue
Okay.
as well.
Yeah, there's another.
But I've had something like that before.
No.
Let's see what else
Susan
we
and I
got.
ordered
There's
it.
a clear one.
Yeah, I want to show her this.
Oh, yeah.
Let me show.
If you need this thing, you order list.
Where's multifocal?
I'm liking these as well. These are different.
Yeah, that was just no.
Okay, so this can go out.
I like this. What do you guys think?
Oh,
Those are
love
pretty.
that.
Yeah,
That
these.
color's nice.
This is
That
really.
color
Yeah, I
is-
think this is it.
Yeah, that color is.
Yeah, I'm really liking this one.
We've never seen it in
Not a
any
regular-
other frame.
Yeah.
ever.
Oh, this is it. Yeah, this is it.
No, I have all the gallons.
Oh,
Oh
yeah.
my god, I love these.
Susan, have us spill the first name. Make up your mind, you can pick these up tomorrow, the lenses are here.
So 432.96.
This guy is a no.
Those look good.
Yeah.
They do
I know,
look good.
Clear
but
lenses.
it's a no, guys. It's a no. So guys, yeah, good news is my eyes are still the same, thank God. So one of my eyes is still perfect, and the other eye is still not the best, but still good. So what I'm gonna do is, I still got new glasses, so why not? Insurance, I got the insurance, so I'm gonna get it. So I got new glasses and pick it up in a few days, and then I was gonna get some shades, but the price was just like not happening today. Gotta put that down. But I really love that my eye doctor. He's just cool, and his the people that work for him are really friendly. I've been going there for like more than 10 years, and love it. So right now, so I wasn't gonna go buy any more books for the year. That was a lie. So I am heading to the bookstore, but one of the book is a children's book, so it's not for me, so forgive me. But maybe they don't even have the other book that I want because it just came out on Tuesday, but we'll see, guys. We'll see. sadly, I wanted the India Hill Brown book, which is the Forgotten Girls, because I was getting that from one of my goddaughters. They didn't have it, so that was a bust. So, but I did get my poetry book, which is the latest from Stacy and Chin, and that's it. But other than that, no Forgotten Girls, so I gotta buy it online.
So you can pay them a minimum.
Hey guys, I am back. I'm exhausted. It's been about 6 hours and I don't even have that much footage. So anyway, you might hear people in the background because the bathroom is getting renovated. Well, not completely, but there are some guys working on the bathroom, so it's like noises in the background. But anyway, I'll tell you what I'm reading. Dutch House. I'm about 170 pages in and I'm really liking it so far. It is kind of my kind of book, so I'm kind of not surprised I'm enjoying it because I do tend to go for books like this where it has like what you call family drama and like this coming of age kind of situation going on here. But I'll talk more about this as I finish it. And I'm also reading this book which I'm not far in, which is called A Taste of Her Own Medicine. So you can see it a little better, and it's by Tasha Harrison. It's an ebook and it's a romance, and wasn't planned, but it came out and I just wanted to try it and see how it is. So yeah. Also, this is a book I did pick up, which is from Stacey Ann Chin. She is a Jamaican poet, and I've always followed her for many years. She's been out for a while. So this is her latest release, and I wanted to check it out because she's amazing. I love her poetry. So yeah. You know, I'm a little bit upset still that they didn't have Forgotten Girls, so I'm gonna have to buy it online. And but yeah, I'm also writing again. I took a few days off because I felt exhausted and I felt like I wasn't ending the story the way I want to, because I have about 10K to go. And last night I just went there and I got up and actually wrote about 1K, sorry. 1K. I'm exhausted. Tired, guys. I was walking a lot today. If I could like have you guys realize how much I was walking, yeah. So yeah. So anyway, need to look at this, not that. So anyway, guys, I am exhausted. I am going to do a little bit more reading, and then I'm going to actually go back to maybe do another 500 or 1K words today, and yeah, and chill. But thanks, guys, because I don't want to all my videos just be sitting on talking about books. I want to actually do some vlogging. So this is why I chose to do this today, and I can't wait to get my new glasses. I'm still gonna wear this because I did not have to change my prescription, but it's nice to have multiple glasses to change out and wear whenever I'm ready. So yeah, so thanks for watching, guys, and have a good day. Bye.